In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a Game Pass here in Roblox mobile, specifically on an iPhone or Android. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually not open up the Roblox app. Instead, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice, something like Safari or Chrome, and go to roblox.com. From here, go ahead and select continue in browser and sign into your account. And once you're signed in, select create up at the very top. Now from here, go ahead and hit this little X error. Go ahead and hit that little X section and click these three lines all the way in the top left and select creations. Go ahead and select your place up at the very top and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and tap those three lines again up in the top left and scroll down until you see the monetization settings and select passes just like so. From here, you'll have the option to create a pass. Go ahead and select it, and you can put in your name, your description, and once you're done with that, go ahead and select create pass down in the very bottom. And that pass is now going to pull up in a page that looks like this. Go ahead and choose that pass again, and then select these three lines, and you're going to see another option for sales. Go ahead and go to it, put the item for sale by ticking that box on, and then set your default price just like so. Now your Game Pass is going to be live. If you need the ID, just go back to your pass, tap those three dots, and either select copy asset ID or copy URL to save it and share it, but that is it. You've now created a Roblox Game Pass here on mobile. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.